वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 11th पार्ट 2 करेंगे। चलो देखते हैं इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। क्लास 11th स्ट्रेट लाइन पार्ट 2 के अंदर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। क्या है हमारा? फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द मिड पॉइंट्स ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट joining the points A, 2, 3 and B, 4, 5. 2 points are given and we have to find midpoint of the line AB. So a point is given, suppose A is any point, it is given x coordinate x1 and y coordinate y1. Another point B whose coordinate is what? x2 and y2. Then midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB formula is what? x1 plus x2 divide 2 and again y1 plus y2 divide 2. So in this question point A given 2, 3. So x1 is 2 and y1 is 3. B given 4, 5. So x2 is 4 and y2 is 5. So our formula is x1 plus x2. So this is what? 2 plus 4 divide 2. In the same way y1 plus y2. So y1 is given 3 and y2 is given 5 divided by 2. So this is how much? 2 plus 4 6 by 2 3 and 5 plus 3 8 by 2 4. So our correct answer is what? 3, 4. So this is the basic formula. When 2 points are given, coordinate of 2 points are given, then midpoint of the AB is what? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। क्वेश्चन 5 क्या कहता है? फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल whose vertices are 4, 4, 3, -2 and -3. So here in this question, area of triangle vertices coordinates are given. That means ट्राइंगल कोऑर्डिनेट, किसी भी ट्राइंगल के कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिए गए हैं 4, 4, 3, -2 एंड -3 से, और हमें फाइंड क्या करना है? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल। तो आप जानते हो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इक्वल टू हाफ mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, right? This is the basic formula. Area of triangle is what? Half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. तो इस फॉर्मूले का हम यूज करते हैं। तो दिस इज हाफ. Now x1 is what? This is x1 4. So this is 4 into y2 minus y3. y2 is -2 and y3 6. So -2 minus 6. So this is -2 minus 6 plus x2. x2 is given what? 3. So this is 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 is what? 6. So this is 6. And y2 is what? 4. So this is 6 minus 4 plus x3. x3 is what? -3. So this is -3 into y1 minus y2. So y1 is 4 and y2 is -2. So 4 minus minus plus. So 4 plus 2, 6. So this is 4 and plus 2, right? x3 that is given -3 into y1 minus y2. y1 is 4, y2 is -2. So this is 4 plus 2. Now this is more. Again you see this is half and then 4 into -2 minus -8. So -8 into 4 what? -32. Here 6 minus 4 2. So 2 plus 3 is what? 6. Here -3 into 6. So this is what? -18, right? This is -2 minus 6, that is -8 into 4 -32. Here 6 minus 4 2. So 2 into 6 minus 4 2. 2 into 3 6. Here 4 plus 2 6. 6 into -3 -18. Now next one, half. This is -32 plus 8 -18. So minus and minus you add, take negative sign. So minus 8 plus 2 10, 3 plus 1 4, that is 50, right? And plus 6. So this is minus 50 plus 6. Now you will see half minus 50 plus 10 minus 6 4, and this is how much? 4. 10 minus 6 4, and this is also 4. So this is minus 44, right? So you can write half into, this is only 44. So we can cancel it. Then our answer is what? 22. This is the area. So you can write 20 unit square. So again we check. Point is given 4 4, 3 minus 2 minus 3 6, right? So our formula is half x1 y2 minus y3. So y2 minus 2 and y3 6. So minus 2 minus 8. Now x2. x2 is what? 3 into y3 minus y1. So 6 minus 4. Now x3 is what? Minus 3 into y1 minus y2. So this is 4 minus minus plus. So 4 plus 2. So minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 into 4 minus 32. 6 minus 4 2, 2 into 3 6. Here 4 plus 2 6, 6 3 is 18. Now this is minus 32 and this is minus 18. So this is what? Minus 50 plus 6. So this is minus 50 plus 6. So 10 minus 6 4, and this is 4. So this is minus 44. So this is the mode we will take only positive. So 2 into 22, that is 22 unit square is the right answer, right? अब इसका एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल को हम डिटरमिनेंट से भी निकाल सकते हैं, जो आपको 12th क्लास में पढ़ना है, उससे भी आप इसको फाइंड कर सकते हो। लेकिन यहाँ हमने 11th के हिसाब से सॉल्व किया, ये एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, आप इस फॉर्मूले का यूज कर सकते हो। इसलिए आपने देखा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला एंड सेकेंड क्वेश्चन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल। इसके बाद स्ट्रेट लाइन के नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पार्ट नंबर 3 में करेंगे। थैंक यू।